Yeah, welcome back to my channel Ebony Style. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a big weaving using a crochet pin. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end if you really want to know the way I made this beautiful packing gel style. So now guys, I started parting my hair. I gave this pattern a C shape, like a curve shape. Like you can just give your hair any pattern you want, but I gave my a C shape. And if you know you cannot part the hair, you can just call someone to help you part the hair. But you can also learn from me the way I did mine. So I part the hair, I gave the hair a C shape, a curve shape. So yes, and I use a pin comb. So it was very easy using a pin comb. And then guys, I band the circle side, like the other side I band it with the rubber band, and this side I'm going to weave the side, and the other side I'm going to just pack it the way I did. So now guys, I'll be using eco gel. Yes, I'm going to use eco gels for the hair. So I added eco gel to this hair like this. So you can use anything. You can use shiny jam, relaxer gel, any gel that you so made. We have a lot, but in this video I'm going for eco gel. So now I'm going to give it another part, like I'm going to divide this side into two again, like the way you are seeing me doing it. So I divide this side into two, and the essence of dividing the side into two is just for me to know how to weave it, like how to weave it to the back, so it will be easy for me weaving it to the back. And now here I gelled the second side, like I've gelled the first side, so I'm gelling this side also. And I left my edges. I didn't pack it with the hair, and you can see I use the back of my comb to just brush the hair together. And make sure you didn't the pattern, you did not join it together. So this thing is still there, the pattern is still there, just for me to weave. So now I've used the bottom of the comb to pack the hair together, like to pack it to make it come. And here I weave the hair all back. I weave the hair back, and it was really coming, like it was not really easy weaving it back, but trust me, you just have to. I use my nails just to weave it back, like the way I see me doing it. So just keep weaving. So guys, this is when I was done with the weaving. So this side I just comb it, and I band it, and I use the same gel just to pack it together, and then I use rubber band to band it together also. So that's what I did to this side. Just make sure you pack it, and I left the front hair. I did not pack the front hair together with the hair, so I left the front hair and then I packed it together. and I just sprayed it with a got to be spray just for it to just come for additional gumming. That's just the essence of the spray. And then yeah, I use my crochet pin to pull out the attachments, like the way you are seeing it. You use it to pull out the attachment so that it can just stay on the air like this. So this is what I kept doing till I'm done with it. So this was when I was done with the crochet side. So now here guys, I just started weaving the hair right from the start. I used the attachments to weave the hair, and I'm going to weave it down, just using the attachment, the one at the right for the right side, the one at the left for the left side. So this is what I kept doing here till I'm done with the hair. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you find this video teachable, and if you find it interesting, and if you have gained some things from this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. So now I just added a little piece of attachment here, so I use it to round the hair, and I knot it, like I tied it. I use it to ramp it, and I tie it just to hold the hair for me. That's the essence of the tying. And yeah, the spray got to be spray on it also, just for extra holding. And now I comb it out, and yeah, I'll be using a bending rollers just to roll the hair down. I'll use the bending rollers, as you can see on the screen. I use these rollers to roll the hair like this. You can actually weave just give the hair the style you want. I just want it to have a coil at the bottom line, like I just want a coil. That's why I use a rolling rollers for this. You can actually weave it down, or I don't know, any style you want. And yeah, this is the outcome here after I've used hot water and all for the rollers. You can see how it is, how beautiful it looks. So this part I'm just going to weave it down with attachment, and I actually left a little piece of the attachment before weaving it down, just for me to use it to roll the band side. So I kept using adding attachments to the hair till I'm done with the size I want. So now when I'm done, I remove a little part of the attachment. I use it to roll the hair, and I spray a got-to-be spray on it. And the one I left at the beginning, I use it to roll the hair, just to cover the band side. So yeah, I added a passion twist twist weave on to the hair, just at the rubber band side. I added a passion twist side, and the mouth of the hair I also use a bending rollers to give it a coils shape. Okay, this is when I was done, and here I'm using a brush to make my edges. Guys, this is my hair when I was done with it. Like I said, the pattern, the side and everything, see how beautiful it turns out to be. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Send this to your friends, to your family, anybody you know. You can just do this hair, anybody just know can make this hair, to a hairstylist, anybody. Share my video, like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.